Hello, I am Dharmishtha. Today I am going to explain about lesson number 8, Animation in Flash Part 2. In this part, we are going to learn animation with motion twinning and shape twinning, the onion skin feature, masking animation using motion guide, applying filter, applying timeline effect and working with sound. Now, first one is animation with motion twinning and shape twinning. In this, we will learn how to create an animation that include both motion twinning and shape twinning. In shape twinning, you define the beginning and ending object in keyframe. Flash create in between frame, redrawing the object with incremental changes that transform it. The important difference between motion twinning and shape twinning is that motion twinning works on groups and symbols, where shape twinning requires editable object. Shape twinning doesn't restrict you to changing the object shape. You can change any of the object properties, size, color, location, as you would in motion twinning, while it's possible to shape twinning objects that move in straight line, the other automated motion features are not available. Now next one is onion skin feature. Onion skinning in a computer graphic is a technique used in creating animated cartoon and editing movie to see a several frame at once. By using this feature, the animator or editor can make a decision on how to create or change an image based on the previous image in the sequence. See the relative position of an object over several frames. Turn on the onion skin feature by clicking onion skin button at the bottom of the timeline window. You can control the number of frames by dragging the start onion skin and end onion skin marker in the timeline. Now next one is masking. Masking is a simple way to reveal a portion of the layer or layers below it selectively. Masking is a way for you to control the content that your audience see. For example, you can make a circular mask and allow your audience to only see through the circular area so that you get a keyhole or spotlight effect. In a flash, you put a mask on one layer and that content that is masked in a layer below it. You can also think of the mask layer as a curtain with hole in it. The curtain hides the layer behind it except for the little bit you see through the hole. Here we will learn about motion twinning in Flash and how to apply skinning feature. See, practically perform motion twinning. See here. See, first of all, click on oval tool. Then, by selection tool, select the object. Then, click on modify menu. Then, group. See, convert into group. Then after, select any one from here we select 40 number frame, modify, see, timeline, then keyframe. Then after, set the position of the object, then select first one frame, between first to 40 frame, select the create motion. Now again select frame number 1, then control, then play. See, in this way we can perform motion twinning. Again select, then onion skinning button, apply onion skinning effect, see in this way, then edit onion skin outline. See, These are the effect of onion skinning and play. See in this way. Here we apply skin feature. In this practical, we will learn about masking layer. You can create a special animation effects with the masking layer feature. A mask layer is a curtain with a hole in it. The curtain hides the layer behind it. You can see through the hole. Here we practically perform masking. See here in this way. See. First of all, open a document property dialog box for increase the size of stage. Here we insert 900, then change a background color black, then OK. See in this way. Then text tool. Here we select text color red. Then type a text, keep smiling. Then after, by using, see here we change the layer name, smile. Then insert one more layer and type mask. Then select first frame of the mask layer and draw a oval. Set its color. See, it's bigger than font size. Here we set the color white and draw bigger than text height. Then here we select selection tool, then select object, then convert into symbol. Here we select graphic, then OK. Here we convert it into symbol in a frame number 1, then select frame number 50, then insert a keyframe by selecting keyframe in a menu. Again select 50 frame in a mask layer, then insert a keyframe, then select mask layer, then set oval in this way, move there and set in a frame number 50. Again select any one frame between 1 to 50 in a mask layer, then in a property inspector set their motion, then select mask layer, then set their mask. In this way we generate a masking on the smile layer, then play. See, in this way we can apply a masking. Now next one is animation using a motion guide. Flash also allows you to move an object on the definite curved path. For this, you have to use something called guideline layer. Here guide layer has the motion guide, which is the path along which the object will move. An animation term, the idea of a motion guide is to describe a line path along which an object can travel. For example, in a Flash, you can define a motion guide for a movie. The guide looks like in a line draw on the stage. Now next one is applying filters. Filters are a quick way to add some visual polish to your Flash designs. Instead of spending time editing a shape to make a drop shadow or adjusting a gradient fills to create a bevel, you can apply live filter and use the pre-mode setting to adjust the filter effect. Filters are in an inbuilt visual effect in Flash. There are different type of filters like bevel, glow, drop shadow, gradient glow, etc. You can apply more than one filter to an object. Now next one is timeline. Timeline effect is a visual effect you can apply to a graphic or movie clip on the stage. You can start by adding a shape or movie clip to the stage. Flash provides predefined motion twin that can be applied to a graphic symbol. Here given this option, it is available in Insert menu, then Timeline effect, then select Expand. And last one is working with sound. Sound is important because it engages audience, it helps deliver information, it increases the production value, it invokes emotional response, it emphasizes what is on the screen and used to indicate a mood. Here we will learn animation using motion guide. Flash allows you to move an object on definite curved path. Performing to this spectacle, you can see a guideline layer. The guide layer has the motion guide, which is the path along which the object will move. See here how to perform. First of all, to import object by import to stage, here we select the object, then open. In this way we can import object on the stage. Now select object, then insert add motion guide. See guide layer, here we insert. Then by using pencil tool we draw a path on the stage. See in this way. Then select first layer by using selection tool and set object. Then select frame number 40 in guide layer. Then insert a keyframe. See in this way. Then again select frame number 40 in layer 1. Then again insert a keyframe there. Then this is the starting point and this one is the ending point. So in the frame number 40 set their ending point, in a frame number 1 set their starting point. See in this way. Then select layer 1 by dragging mouse pointer, then select the right click and create motion twin. Then play your program. See in this way we can play our program motion. See object move on the path. Then press Ctrl plus enter and see in this way we can move our object on the path. Here we will learn how to apply filter effect in the Flash. Flash provides predefined motion twin that can be applied to a graphic symbol. Here we will perform practically. See in this way how to apply filter. First of all, take a new file, then select text tool, then type a text having fun, then in this way. Then by using selection tool select the text. In a property inspector there are filters, then click on plus sign and apply a bevel. Here options of bevel. First of all we select outer. In a type, in a X here we insert 30 number, in a Y here we insert again 30 number. Then set a shadow color, here we select blue color, in a highlight by green color. See, then set their distance with 11 value. See in this way. Then strength here we set in this way. Then select frame number 40 in a timeline and insert that keyframe. And in a property inspector select the text and filter. Here we insert glow filter. Then again set 30 value. then again set 30 value. See the difference. See, that is called filter effect. Then select any one frame between 1 to 40 frame. Set their motion property in a property inspector. Then after play your program. See the difference how to apply filter effect. Again select frame number 1. Then play. See the difference. Here we will learn how to apply timeline effect. Flash provide predefined motion twin that can be applied to a graphic symbol. See, practically here we perform it. See, in this way. First of all, type there having fun. Then select a text. Then select any one frame. Here we select 41 and 42. Then insert, then timeline, then select that keyframe. In this way we can insert a keyframe. Then after select text, then insert timeline effect and effects. Here we select expand. See, expand dialog box open. Here we see the expand effect. We can also change effect duration. Here we insert the number 62 frames. Then click on OK button. See, in this way we can apply a timeline effect. Then run your program. See, in this way.